The sound of salmon jumping out of the water, swimming upstream is not uncommon for Oswego, New York. This year, however, it is. The sound, unlike years past, is quite quiet. Although this might be ideal for most locals, the dedicated fishermen who travel from all over the state are not thrilled. Ed Hogan, a fisherman from Fulton, New York, can definitely see a difference.
Yeah, the fishing should be a lot better than what it is right now. There's almost no fish in the water right now, or in the river right now. There should be a lot more, but they're staying out in the lake.
You may be asking, why is this happening? And while you may think it's some huge environmental issue, it's not. The problem comes from the weather. The problem arises from the lack of water that we have had this season. Although it's still early in the salmon season, there are little to no signs that the problem is going to get any better.
There wasn't enough rain to bring the water level up at all. The water should be about 2 foot higher. You can see it on the rocks, and it should be about 2 foot higher this time of the year.
Each year, about 40 million is generated by fishing and leisure boating on Lake Ontario. But when there is a problem, such as low water levels, many local tackle shops see a decline in sales firsthand.
It's losing a lot of money. I was actually just talking to Larry at the sandwich shop. He's doesn't have nearly as much business right now as he normally would this time of the year on normal years.
They're not the only one losing money. The local marinas are too. People are taking their boats out of the water even earlier this year. As you can see, the salmon aren't jumping right now. In past seasons, hundreds would be surfacing. While the salmon are all staying out in the lake, all the fishermen are staying at home. As each week passes, we can only hope that we get more rainfall. In Oswego, Chris Baum, WTOP 10 News.